And this is an amazing food. This is called cassava or yuca, manioc. This is what they make tapioca out of. I feel like this is a very important food for the human race. You can plant it very simply by breaking a stick. You can strip off the leaves, and you can pop this in the ground. And just add water regularly, and in 9 months you'd be able to harvest 30 pounds, 40 pounds of food. One of the most nutrient dense carbohydrates. It has an insulin resistant starch, so it's good for diabetics. It stores really well on the ground. If you don't get to it today, you can get to it tomorrow or next month, it's fine. And also, here's some wasps on here and bees. It attracts a lot of different insects as well as it's flowering. The leaves, the young tender leaves, are edible as a cooked green, and you can bake it, boil it, fry it. You can make amazing chips out of it. You can make flour out of the cassava, and you can pretty much replace all grains with cassava in all your baked goods. So cassava, I think, has a really bright future. It has currently overtaken rice as the #1 food produced on planet Earth. I think it was the 2014 numbers were 680 million metric tons of cassava. This is like well over 1 trillion pounds in annual production. It's grown all over Southeast Asia, the Pacific Islands, staple crop in Central America, Brazil, and Africa as well. It doesn't require a tractor. You can plant it so simply. So for the sustenance farmer, you can really grow your own calories in this way very easily. Everybody can grow cassava. It's very easy. Some of the tricks are, if you dig the soil and you make it loose, it'll become easier to harvest. It's true you can plant cassava from seed, but typically what will happen is it'll make a big taproot that makes it very hard to get out of the ground because it's going to go straight down. When you plant it by a stem cutting, then what happens is that the roots shoot out laterally, left and right, so they don't go deep, so they're just barely below the surface, so you can get underneath it easy to harvest it. So that's the preferred method of propagation, is by stem cutting with cassava.